Tiny Tunes and Songs Kids channel.
Guess the fruit by emoji. Can you guess the fruit? Great job, it's mango. Can you guess the fruit? Great job, it's strawberry. Can you guess the fruit? Pineapple, good job. Can you guess the fruit? Banana. Can you guess the fruit? Sweet, that's a watermelon. Can you guess the fruit? You got an apple. Can you guess the fruit? Amazing, that is kiwi. Can you guess the fruit? Blueberry, of course. Can you guess the fruit? Cherries are so delicious. Can you guess the fruit? Green apple. Can you guess the fruit? Great job, it's pear. Can you guess the fruit? Great job, it's orange.